I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making Snickerdoodle fudge. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I hope you make tasty treats that people love to eat. A friend of mine, hi Christine, had a birthday recently and she's a big Snickerdoodle fan. Last year I made Snickerdoodle truffles and I wanted to do something different this year, so fudge. Like almost everything we make here in the Candy Kitchen, it's super easy and super tasty, and why am I standing here talking when we could be making candy? As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Snickerdoodle fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 3 cups of white chocolate chips, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/16 teaspoon of salt, commonly known as a pinch, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon. I'm also using an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment paper, a saucepan, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Line an 8x8 pan and set it aside. Combine the sugar and cinnamon and set that aside. In a medium saucepan over low heat, combine the white chocolate chips, sweetened condensed milk, and salt. Stir frequently until it's melted and smooth. Remove it from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Pour the mixture into the lined pan and immediately sprinkle the cinnamon sugar mixture evenly over the top. I used an offset spatula to help it adhere to the fudge, but that's optional. Refrigerate it until it's firm, at least 2 hours. Remove the fudge from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's give it a try. Sláinte. It's smooth and creamy, great mouthfeel. The roughness of the granulated sugar on top provides a nice contrast to keep things interesting. The flavor's spot on as well. Great vanilla flavor, and the cinnamon really takes things to another level. This is delicious fudge, and you really ought to try it. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you join me next time. And I wanted to do something different. Line an 8x8 square, of course it's square, it's 8x8. Great mouthfeel, and the roughless.